Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by closing Dead by Daylight if it's running, then open your platform client, Steam or Epic, and sign into the same account. Once done, make sure the game is fully updated. Updates often block region options. You then enter the main menu and open settings, go straight to network or gameplay where region selection lives. This step avoids wasted clicks and explains why updates and account consistency matter. Because server listings depend on current game version and active account credentials. Next, you use the region dropdown to reveal available server locations and their displayed ping values. These numbers matter for input lag and matchmaking fairness. Choose the region that balances low ping with your preferred player pool. Remember, selecting a distant region lowers latency chances, but may change match difficulty and language distribution. Once selected, press the in-game test or quick match option to verify stability. If ping spikes, try another nearby region or proceed to network troubleshooting steps. After choosing a region, save settings and perform a full restart of Dead by Daylight. Some switches only apply on relaunch. Then confirm the change by joining a match and watching the server icon and ping indicator. This proves the game uses the selected server. If the region didn't change, clear the game cache, restart your platform client, and disable any VPNs. These often override in-game selections. If problems persist, contact support, but first try cache and client restart as the quickest troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.